Hello everyone! Welcome back to our vlog.
Welcome back to our channel.
Today is Thursday afternoon, 8 o'clock p.m. right now. And medyo matagal nang hindi nagpa-practice si Kat ng driving niya. So, today we are going to be practicing her driving around sa mga main streets na kasi feeling ko a bit confident naman na siya with the car and her skills. So, we are gonna try it out today.
True. So, for those of you na hindi alam, hindi pa po ako talaga nakakapag-drive dito sa Vancouver.
And in the Philippines.
Nakakapag-drive ako.
Only going forward.
May nakakatulong kasi tayo dun na medyo nakakatakot kasi yung roads dito sa Vancouver, guys. At saka ang daming rules and regulations. Tsaka tagal ko inisip talaga bago ko nasabi na okay na ako mag-drive dito.
True, and that is why we're gonna practice today because we have set her driving test to be on matagal pa, mga 1 month? 2 months?
Tagal pa.
Matagal pa daw. Anyways, yeah, we're gonna go. I also brought our vacuum kasi yung likod namin medyo in need siya ng vacuuming. So, see you later. Maglalabas ng kotse, tapos magpapark ako sa labas, and then sikat na from there. So, if you're not from BC, may nilagay kami na L doon sa likod. That's basically, ano ba yun? Learners. And then,
so, learners is equivalent to student permit sa Philippines. So,
student permit ng driving.
Student permit license sa pagdadrive. So, kagaya pa rin dito, hindi pa rin kayo nakakapag-drive kung wala kayong class 5 or yung professional na license or equivalent na, okay, so class 5 is equivalent to professional driver's license sa Philippines. So, kung naka-L kayo, hindi kayo pwedeng mag-drive na hindi
kung naka-L kayo,
5.
Loser.
Si Kim, class 5 kasi.
So, ang pwede palang mag-teach ng driving dito is if you don't have the N, which is the novice driver.
That's equivalent to non-professional.
Yeah, and then you can't teach when you're a novice, pero you can drive na alone and you can drive your family around. But when you are a full license, you don't have any letters on your car and you can teach people how to drive.
Also, you can also drive sa highways. Dito kasi pag N.
You can drive in the highways pag N? Marami ako nakikita na N dun sa highway.
Ewan ko, pero may restrictions yan. N
Okay.
talaga. But yeah.
May oras din yun, diba, yung N? Ay, hindi, yung L pala. Actually,
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm not from here.
But anyways, yes, lalabas muna tayo. Bago itong video na to, gusto ko lang mag-shoutout pala sa manay ko. I hope you are proud kasi nagda-drive ako dito sa kahabaan ng maraming cars. Siya pala, isa din sa nagturo sa akin mag-drive sa Philippines, pero manual yung tinuturo nila.
Thank you. Maraming. So we had to gas first because we were running really low on gas. Total was 52.92. Okay, pupunta kami dun sa una naming pinag-practicean. It's called Market Crossing. Tapos dun na sanay si Kat na mag-practice ng speed, ng turns, ng stops, and ewan ko, parang lahat nandun na, you know? Na ang missing na lang is like real life situations. Kasi
What you mean real life situation?
no, kasi parang walang mga cars doon masyado.
Yeah, kasi ano siya, parang industrial area siya. Ay, hindi naman, pero may mga offices doon. So, mga
Yeah, industrial nga.
Oo, so after mga business hours,
Wala nang tao. Anyways, drive muna ako papunta doon and then nag-switch na kami ni Kat. Then okay guys, so mag-switch na kami ni Kat. Nandito kami sa saan ba? Market Crossing? Market Crossing. Nahanap ko to actually sa Reddit. I looked on Reddit. I was asking, not really asking, pero there was a question there kung saan nagpa-practice yung mga tao before their driving test, and one of the recommendations was really close to where we lived, which is here at Market Crossing. So we tried it, and Kat got very comfortable driving around here with Tonyo, and
now with
Eddie, pero parang mag-warm up siya dito, and then we're gonna try to go to the main roads for a bit, and then we're gonna go back home.
True.
So what are you first doing?
So, nag-check muna ako ng side mirror. So, guys, bago pala ako pre-practice ni Kim, nag-driving lessons talaga ako sa isang driving school. Pero, nag-take lang ako doon ng siguro mga 2 or 3 sessions. Parang inalam ko lang talaga yung mga rules and regulations or yung mga kung anong titingnan sa examiner kung magta-take ng exam. Kasi, mahal masyado kung uubusin ko yung buong session ng pagda-driving class or lessons sa isang So yeah, inalam ko lang yun, and then from there, yun na, kami na ni Kim yung nagpa-practice kasi masyado mahal yung isang oras nun 75 or 50, mga ganon. So sabi niya, before you go, yun, i-check muna yung mga ganito, ganyan. Well, basic, titingnan mo yung mga side mirrors, and then itong mirror na to, and then ganon.
Okay, and then what was the next one?
Oh yeah, sabi doon, may mga times daw na papatigilin ka kasi tatanungin ka kung ano yung mga anong term nun? Hazard perceptions, mga ganun ba yun? Anong tawag nun? Basta, yeah, ipapa-enumerate sa'yo. Ewan ko ha, kung sa ibang provinces, ganun din ba?
No.
But, no?
I didn't have to.
Yeah, but dito sa BC, yes, tatanungin ka kung ano yung mga hazard curva mo. So, halos lahat na makikita mo, pwede siyang,
Maging hazard.
Yeah.
So, for example, here,
yeah, yan yung mga edge na yan, yung halaman, pwedeng maging hazard yan. Titignan mo yung panahon, kung padilim na ba, pwede siya maging hazard. Kung maulan, pwede mo i-mention yun. Pero hindi nyo siya i-mention na rain, kasi hindi naman mo rain. Yung sa time na lang, sa time na yun na nag-exam ka, yun yung sasabihin mo. And then, siguro magpapa-enumerate lang sila ng mga 5. Pero marami talaga, guys. Siguro pag nagsalita ka lang or nag-mention ka ng mga 4 or 5, okay na yun sa kanila.
True.
Yeah.
So, what's the next?
Okay na ako. So, mag-on na tayo. Ayan. And then, hindi ko makita yung
What are you doing? You have to like lift it up. Are you pressing down the brakes? You can do it gentler.
Okay, sorry. Okay, so ngayon, very sa kanila, very importante sa kanila, very vital sa exam yung pag-shoulder check. So, yun yung medyo kakaligtaan ko kasi hindi naman tayo nag-shoulder check. But yes, okay, let's go. Let's move forward. We're okay. We're okay now. Ayoko lang yung mga wires na to kasi Okay, we're ready to go. Shoulder check muna. Look the surroundings. Look at the surroundings kung safe ba, and then we're safe to go.
Okay, so I'm gonna watch the cat and then probably just be very quiet. Because when cat is practicing, I don't say too much.
Why?
Because I don't want to be distracting, and then I want cat to focus on the road, where she's going, what she's doing, and other cars around. So when she starts to drive on the road, I'm gonna maybe stop this for a bit and then go.
Okay, so pag tumitingin ako dito, nagagalit si Kim kasi daw magiging dependent ako nito. So, trinay ko na mag-park na hindi naka-check sa camera. And I did it! Oh my God!
Yeah. We just use this right now to verify that she
To verify.
Yeah, and then this is where we point system her. But anyways, we're gonna continue on to our driving lesson.
Tabako. Okay, so from parking, magre-reverse tayo. So, sabi doon sa instructor na pag nagre-reverse ka, chine-check daw yan ng examiner, dapat i-check mo 360 degrees. So, from here, hanggang dito, doon, hanggang sa likod mo. And, pag nagbabacking ka, dapat yung kamay mo andito. Which is, guys, I think, ang hirap talaga kasi
Tingnan nyo naman yung seat niya. Parang gusto niya yung nakadikit na talaga sa manibela. Ayaw niya na may space. Gusto niya talaga yung nandun na siya.
which is very, very wrong. It's not safe, guys.
It is not safe.
Yeah, for practice purposes only.
But it's bad to practice on it because you rely on like having that kind of seat, and
That
then
is so true.
you don't get
It's so hard to
confidence.
unlearn. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, yeah, magta-try tayo mag-backing.
Sige, mag-backing ka na.
So, reverse lang tayo. Bago yan, check muna natin kung clear ba. Check natin kung clear. Check natin yung clear. And then, check sa likod kung clear. So, magbabacking tayo. And then...
So, we didn't quite make it home. Natatakot to get sa paakyat kasi to get to our place is uphill a little bit. So, there's a hill. Huh? Our place is uphill. So, we didn't make it home. So, we are still like at Market Crossing. And yeah, but we're on our way home now. Kat was getting anxious about driving up the hill, so we're just gonna leave that for another day. And we're gonna go home right now.
Oo, kasi naantok na rin kami.
Yeah, I am actually really
Kailangan
sleepy.
pa mag-cool down kasi
Yeah.
masyado akong kinabahan. So,
Yeah. And tomorrow is Friday. And I am driving to work tomorrow because it's Friday. So after work, we're gonna try to do something. So we need to sleep early because we're both gonna get up early and gonna end the day late tomorrow.
So guys, sorry, may bus. Ito pala yung uphill na medyo na ako i-drive. Ito yung sa Marine Way, Marine and Boundary. Ayan, siguro for most of you na nanonood nito, sasabihin nyo, it's just so easy. Pero sa akin, tingnan nyo naman yung takbo nila. Medyo kinakabahan pa ako. Although, okay naman. Pero, yeah, yun. Straight na to sa bahay namin.